Fight!
Don't let him have it! Don't let him have it! Oh, yeah, she's not done with him. Oh, yeah, you fucking tell him. Oh, she's gonna reverse. I better be careful. She is pissed. Oh, it's a dude. He's just got like really long hair. This is good. This is what I come out for. Oh, the soap opera. Oh, he's on an NC and it's like Larry Green.
He's like grumpy as fuck.
Oh, Jesus. That was great. We've got drama, ladies and gentlemen. White van man or silver van man in this instance. I'm glad I stuck around in traffic. Oh, we gotta follow this guy. Oh, see, he's got like this long hair. Look at him. He's like waiting for the guy. He's not done. He's not done. Look at that. He's deliberately.
Fuck me.
He's deliberately fucking with him.
That's bully.
Look, he's holding the van back as well right now. Quality. I felt it was a bit over the top. I mean, I wouldn't have done what Audi guy did then.
I wouldn't.
When you want to that determination to steal what you can and run from the nation. Hey, what do you say? The automated secret to speed from a getaway. Take it to the edge, there's nowhere to hide, and call up the boy. Let's go for the joyride.
Well, that's a good idea. So, if you put a camera on your rear end, and you know the night vision mode, for the night vision mode, fucking wanker. Turn into me, you cunt. You fucking do it! I fucking dare you! You fucking bitch! There's nothing behind me. She could fucking wait. That was a red light jump. Fucking idiot. Why is he in the middle for? Wow, come on mate. Fucking you can't be jumping lights with that. Fucking hell. Oh, that is brilliant. Fucking brilliant. Look at that. No signal whatsoever. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Premises 187 here. I just want to speak you through this clip. It's not... There's probably a few extra bits to it you might not have seen to cause me to react that way. So, up ahead there's a zebra crossing and there's a car that's stopped to let the pedestrians cross. At this point right now, there's pedestrians crossing the road. This white car here, just in front of the bus, seriously took the piss. It was, again, overtaking on a zebra crossing. Can you see the zigzag lines that generally means no overtaking. But I haven't got a problem with him because he wasn't in my way. Now, take a look at this sorry sack of shit. Totally in my goddamn lane right now. He's over the zigzag markings. He was trying to overtake again on a zebra crossing. Trying to overtake a bus on a zebra crossing. And that bus wasn't pulled over to a bus stop or anything. It was waiting for a pedestrian across the road. And we've got Chucklefuck here, just trying to overtake, and he put me in danger, so goodbye mirror. Goodbye mirror. And I looked in my mirror, my functioning mirror, and I could see his mirror rolling across the street. It came off. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a like if you liked the video. Leave a dislike if you didn't like it, but if you leave a like, I'll like you very much.
Any questions? No boss, no problem. If anybody gets in your way, you know what to do.